You're right, soldier. I can see you've had your last meal. I mean, you've eaten something. Come on. Okay, drivers moving. First positions, please.
Copy that. First positions. Everybody move out.
So welcome to the Top Gear petrol station scene. Today, you're going to be jumping from that ramp way over the petrol station and landing safely on our landing ramp, which is 90 meters away. If you hop in, I'll show you around.
Okay, buggy's on the move. Copy that, buggy's on the move.
So as you can see, it's your standard petrol station forecourt. You've got disgruntled workers, locals buying food, a jet wash, and of course, the terrible toilets. And you see that over there? That's your landing ramp. It's the full
There
works.
seems to be a bit of a praying over.
Okay, so that's the tour of the station, so let's get you down to your star car.
What are you thinking?
Just,
Okay, wait a second. What's Stig doing there?
Stig, why are you still here? You're supposed to be in the tracking vehicle down at first positions. Seriously, every time.
Okay, well, he's going anyway.
Can someone come and clear up that petrol, please? Over.
Yeah, copy that. We'll get round to it.
Anyhow, here is your start ramp, and this is 7 meters tall and 30 meters long. And you're gonna... Typical Stig. Okay, you're gonna launch off this ramp at 80 miles an hour. And then you should safely land on the other side of the petrol station. Come on, I'll take you to your star car.
Guys, we're getting a bit of rain down at start positions. Just thought I'd let you know. Copy that. Everybody, the buggy's on the runway, heading to start positions. Long standby.
Right, so here we are, the Chevy Silverado 5-litre V8 with a tanker on the back. But don't worry, it's not full of real petrol.
Oh, sorry, mate. Actually, it is for the real petrol.
Oh, apparently it is full of real petrol.
Our department, can I just check
Let's
that
get you
that limited to 60 sticker is actually just a sticker?
Yeah, it's just a sticker.
It's health and safety time. Let's get this helmet on you.
Okay, great. For a minute there, I thought it wouldn't get to 80.
It doesn't fit as well as the last one did. It doesn't make a difference anyway. Your belt's on, we're good to go. Good luck.
Remember, 80 miles per hour.
We're all set. The drone is in the air, all cameras are rolling, and we are standing by.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, action!
Okay, that means go, please. The truck is travelling, Okay, Stig stops with the angles, please. Wait a second, what's that liquid on the floor, over? When you say liquid, do you mean the Stig's petrol, over? Yeah, it might be some of Stig's petrol, over. Oh gosh, we should have paused the jump then, right? Oh no, it's too late. Let's get the fire crew in, thank you. To get them in. Fire crew go in now. Can we check on the driver, please?
Yeah, the driver's okay, the driver's okay.
Oh, that's great news. And the driver was so close, right?
And you were so close. Anyway, let's go again. Playback, please.
Copy that. Going for playback. 3, 2, 1, go.